Alright, what is up guys? My name is Patrick and today it's just kind of like a little update video on my NB MIATA. Now it's been a long time and I've just been really busy and it is insanely sunny out, so I'm going to put sunglasses on and I know that I look like a douche, okay? I know it. So yeah, it's just kind of like a little update video on my NB. I've just been busy, you know, I've been doing stuff, internship work. Yeah, I'm a busy guy, so I haven't really had time to make a lot of YouTube videos. So basically what has changed since you guys have last kind of seen the car? A lot of things actually. For example, brakes. I now have a full, complete setup. I have new rotors, new pads, new lines, new fluid. The car can brake absolutely insanely quick. So basically I'm running G-Lock, basically their brake package. I'll kind of put it in the description, but essentially what it is R10 front and R8 rear. That's the compound that they use. So there's just different types. It's a little bit much for street, but the thing is I'm kind of building the car fundamentally, so I'm doing all the basics this summer, getting it out of the way, and then next summer is when I'm really going to go ham with the power, which you guys will kind of see what I mean by that. But yeah, it's just kind of like the fundamentals right now. So I have a car that can brake way better than it actually needs to, but it's the fundamentals, okay? So another thing that you guys haven't actually seen are the tires. I got new tires for the car. When I put the wheels on, they had leftover racing compounds that were just trashed. So it wasn't usable, so I have new tires. So these are Continental DWs. I think they're called Sports now, Sport Plus, whatever the hell they are. Basically, they're just the summer sporty tire of Continental, and they're really awesome. I had their old model on my GTI, and they were awesome. And these are amazing as well. I'm really surprised at how well they grip up. So the size is a 205 50/15. You know, it's a pretty standard size for a MIATA. A little bit meatier than stock, but it's pretty standard. But yeah, these tires are really awesome. I haven't really lost traction in any situations, which is partially a good thing, partially a bad thing. Maybe one day I'll just take the stock ones and just drift them off. That'd be pretty funny, to be honest. So another thing that you guys have not seen is actually the roll bar. Now, this was a pain in the ass to install, and that's partially the reason why I didn't make a video about it, is because it just sucks. It's so bad. The install is awful. It's awful to watch. It's awful to do. It's just not good. So I didn't want to, you know, make a video and have nobody watch it and then add time to the install, which already took a really long time, but thankfully we finally got it finished with the help of my brother and my dad. They kind of helped me along the way. But yeah, roll bar is awesome. It's a hard dog. I think it's called the Sport M2. I'll put it in the description as well. But yeah, it's in there. I believe that if I roll over, I'll probably still die because it's a MIATA, but I won't die as hard, if that makes any sense. I won't be turned into like a meatball or some shit like that. Yeah, other than that, I've just been kind of living life. I'm just kind of enjoying the car at the moment right now. There's a part that's waiting in my garage that you guys are going to see an install on, and I think it's going to definitely change the car a lot in terms of looks and in terms of handling. So you probably already know what it is, but yeah, it'll be coming up eventually. But yeah, this is just like a short little update video. I figured I'd kind of, you know, let you guys know that I'm not like ignoring you or anything. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you have any suggestions on what what you guys want me to do, leave them below. I'll do it. I'm bored. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, have a good one. See you guys.